the smash burger, you see how I incorporate all the onions inside the burger, but you can do it if you want. You want yours on top, you can do it on top. But that's the way I'm doing mine. I like it inside my burger. That's how I'm doing mine today. Check it out. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna let these cook for a few minutes. Let it roll. Show y'all how it's cooking. That's what I'm doing today, y'all. Yes. Man, bro. Don't forget to like this video. Tell me what y'all think. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think about the smash burgers for today. I appreciate it. Yeah, so we're gonna let them cook a little bit, you know. I'm gonna be back soon. Check out that results. So that's all I'm doing right now. Alright, I'm put all the ingredients up. We got the cheese on there. So that's indeed right there. That's what I'm doing today. Got the cheese waiting. So get ready to throw down soon. So stand by, you know I'm coming back. While we're letting that cook, so you know what I got in here. Yeah, you know how I do air fry french fries. You know I love them. I know y'all probably see them in all my videos, but I love potatoes. So that's what I'm doing right now on that. So just stand by and watch it. It's coming. Yes. Let y'all know how to lap burgers turn out. Yeah, it's still on here. Yeah, we still. Yeah, look at it. It's still cooking now. Yeah, it's gonna be a few minutes. Don't worry, we'll bring y'all the end results back. So stand by. It's coming soon. So that's what they doing right now. Cooking on its way. So don't worry, you'll see it soon. You see it right there. We're not gonna smash them. Just gonna flip them over. You don't want to lose none of that juice out of there. So nah, we don't want to lose none of that juice. So that's gonna flip it straight over and let it go. I don't want to smash none of that juice out of there. I want to keep it nice and juicy.